We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.